A very pleasant morning to my dear children. I hope that all of you are fine and safe. Dear children, before starting online class, one thought for you. The thought of the day is success does not come from what you do occasionally, but what you do consistently. I repeat my thought success does not come from what you do occasionally, but what you do consistently. Dear students, what does it mean? I'll tell you the meaning of this thought. First line, success does not come from what you do occasionally, means but what you do consistently. It means that you have to work hard for the whole year if you want to get success. Right? But if you think then studying in the exam only, then you will be able to get success. No. So it means it does not come from what you do occasionally, means sometimes you have to work hard for the whole year. Dear students, let's start online class, maths class. So as per schedule, your maths class is there. We will be continuing chapter 8 fractions only. Right? So students, next topic is fractions in lowest terms. How to reduce fraction in lowest term and what is it that fraction is lowest term. A fraction is said to be in its lowest or simplest form if its numerator and denominator cannot be divided by any non-zero number except 1. So when we can say that this fraction is in lowest or simplest form, when its numerator and denominator cannot be divided by any non-zero number except 1. For example, reduce 20 over 25 to its lowest terms. So there are two ways we can reduce 20 over 25 to its lowest term. So I have taken first way 20 over 25. So you have to check they both should be cut with the same table, right? So suppose I have taken 5. So 20 comes in the table of 5 and 25 also comes in the table of 5. So I have cut 20. When 20 comes in the table of 5 fours are, so 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. So same, both numerator and denominator, they should always cut with the same table. So you got answer here 4 by 5. Second way is that 20 over 25, you can calculate the factors of 20. I have calculated 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, and for 25, 5 multiplied by 5. Cancel the common number 5 and 5 at numerator and denominator place. Right, then on upper part 2 multiplied 2 is left, 2 2s are 4, and down part that is 5. So same answer you got with the way of by the solving two different methods, 4 by 5, 4 by 5. Now next is if we have to check are the following fractions in simplest form or not, means it is in lowest terms or not. So if it can be reduced by cutting with the same table, then it means it is not in lowest term. If it cannot be cut, so it is in lowest term, right? So first is 16 by 24. I have taken 16 by 24 and you can cut 16 by 24. I have calculated factors of 16 and 24 and cancel the common factors. So answer I got 2 by 3. So 16 and 24 can be reduced. We have reduced by calculating the factors and cancelling. So it is not in lowest term. We have reduced it. Next is 21 over 32. Next is 21 upon 32. So you have to check whether this fraction in lowest term or not. So I have calculated factor 21. 3 multiplied by 7 and 32. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So now you cannot cancel any number in numerator as well as denominator place. So you cannot be reduced. It means it is itself in lowest term. So it is in lowest term. So in this way you have to check the following fractions in simplest form or not. Means if you can cancel with the same table, then it is not in lowest term, it has to be reduced. And if no common factor is there, it cannot be reduced. It means it is itself in lowest terms. Next is fraction of a collection. Means you have to find the number of a collection. For example, 12 birds are there and 1/4 birds are colored. So it means 1 out of 4 birds is colored. But how many birds are not colored? Suppose I have taken the example here, 3/4 of 12. You have to count 3/4 of 12. So in the chapter B mass, you have done board mass. You know that O stands for off. So 3/4 of 12. Off means multiplication. 3/4 multiplied by 12. 3/4 multiplied by 12 is only there. You can convert into fraction. Numerator is 12, denominator is 1. 3/4 multiplied by 12 upon 1. So numerator will be multiplied with numerator and denominator will be multiplied with denominator. 12 3s are 36, 4 1s are 4. And I have cut with the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. Then you got answer 9. Let us take one more example. 7/10 of 100. 7/10 of means multiplication by 100. So 100 7s are 700 divided by 10 1s are 10. And I have cut with the table of 10. 10 1s are 10, 10 7s are 70. So 70 you got answer. So in this way you can calculate fraction of a collection. So you have to solve now exercise 8.5 and 8.6. Try to solve these two exercises in your rough notebook. And you have to complete your exercise 8.3 in your fair notebook. Thank you. God bless you.